in this activity on page number 16, we have been given a word where a lot of numbers are written. Can you see? A lot of numbers are written, and in addition, we have been given the colors that are associated with that number. So you have to see on number 1, we have yellow color. So you have to find wherever there is one number, you have to fill that area with the color associated with the number, which is yellow. So for example, in the beak here, we have number 1. So in number 1, which color is given? It is yellow. So we will be filling yellow color here. Then number 2, this area is number 2, and also this area. So what is the color in number 2? Number 2 is associated with the color purple. So you will be filling purple color here. Same, number 3 is associated with green, 4 is dark blue, 5 is light blue, 6 is orange, and 7 is red. So you have to find the numbers, see the color associated, and then you have to fill in the color. You can choose any color of your choice. I will be using poster colors here, which I'm using so as to teach you how to use poster colors and how to use brush. So are you excited? Come on, let's get started. To start with, we have been given a lot of numbers here from 1 to 7, and according to each number we have been given the color associated with that number. So we have a lot of numbers given here spontaneously, like we have 3 here, and 2 here, and 7 here, 7 here as well, 6 here, 3 here, 1 here. So we have numbers given to us according to which we have to color this picture. So for example, 1 is yellow. So I'll be searching where is number 1 in my picture. It's here in the beak. So I'll be doing number 1, that is yellow color in the beak. So let's get started with this. I've already made my colors in the color palette. You can also do the same. So 1 is done. Now the second number is purple. I have a shade which is somewhere close to purple, which is not exactly purple, and I'll be using that. If you have purple, you can definitely use purple color. I'm using poster colors for this activity. You can use any other color of your choice. You can use pencil colors, you can use sketch pens, oil pastels, watercolors, any colors of your choice. I'm using poster colors because I'm more comfortable with that. So I like doing my outlinings first, and then I like filling the color. It helps me understand the boundaries. Make sure you spread the color nicely and no lumps are formed. Done with number 2. Now I'm moving to number 3. Number 3 is green. So I'll be using green. We are done with the third color. Let us see what's next. Next is dark blue. The fourth number is dark blue. So let's see, wherever it's dark blue, like wherever it's number 4, we need to fill dark blue. So we have number 4 here, then here and here. So let's start. Then we have light blue. Okay, we have number 4 here as well, so I'll be filling dark blue here also. Number 5. Now number 6, we are moving to number 6. Oh, we are left with a little bit of 5 here, a small part. And after this, we are moving to number 6. 6 is orange. So let's go. Continuing number 6 this side. We also have number 6 here, so let's do it. I'll be using a smaller brush because it's a smaller area. Don't forget to spread your color nicely because lumps doesn't look good at times. It's time for number 7, and I can see we have left number 2 here, so that we'll be doing in the end. We are done with the last number, and let's see what all is left. We are left with number 2, which is purple. So this time I want to lighten my purple a little because I feel it's too dark, and if I'll do it here as well, so it will become darker. The picture will become darker. So I'm adding a little bit of white to my purple to give it a good tone. With this, we are done with the picture. So in the end, this is what we get. And you can also make designs and patterns in your bird according to your choice with the help of a sketch pen. I hope you followed the color and the number rule which is given here. Here you don't have any other choice. Like in all my videos, I obviously ask you to use any color of your choice, but here you are restricted with these numbers and colors, which is also a good discipline practice. So keep practicing. I'll see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning.